If you're looking for the biggest hosting or discount available right now, this video is for you, because the deal I'm about to show you saves you more than what you'll see directly on Hostinger's pricing page. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 85% off hosting, plus an exclusive extra 10% off with the coupon code, plus a free domain name on annual plans. To get the full discount, click the link and use the coupon code I put in the description below. Quick disclosure before we continue, the link in the description is an affiliate link. That means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the lowest Hostinger pricing available, and in most cases, lower than going directly to Hostinger yourself. Let me show you exactly how to claim it step by step. Go to the description and click the Hostinger discount link. Once you click it, you'll land on the Hostinger page. Click Claim Deal to view the hosting plans. Hostinger currently offers 3 main hosting plans. Premium web hosting. This is the best plan for beginners. With Premium, you can create up to 3 websites, get 20 GB SSD storage, get 2 email mailboxes per website. Perfect for bloggers, small business websites, portfolio sites, first websites. Business web hosting. This is the most popular plan. With Business, you can create up to 50 websites, get 50 GB NVMe storage faster than SSD, get 5 email mailboxes per website. This is ideal if you want better performance, you're building multiple websites, you want room to scale. Cloud Startup Plan. This is for higher traffic and more advanced users. With Cloud Startup, you can create up to 100 websites, get 100 GB NVMe storage, get 10 mailboxes per website. Perfect for growing businesses, e-commerce stores, higher traffic websites. When you choose your plan, you'll see different billing terms. 48 months, 24 months, 12 months, monthly. Here's the key thing. You get the biggest discount on longer terms. You get a free domain name on any annual term. The monthly term does not include a free domain name. If you want maximum savings in the free domain, choose at least the 12-month term. You'll save most on the 48-month term. Once you're on the checkout page, you'll see a coupon code box. Make sure the exclusive coupon code listed next to the link in the description is applied. That extra 10% discount stacks on top of the already discounted pricing, which is why you're saving more than what's shown on the Hostinger pricing page. If you selected any annual term, you'd be able to claim your free domain name during checkout. Just search for your domain, select it, and the discount will automatically apply. Remember, annual equals free domain, monthly equals no free domain. If you go directly to Hostinger without this link and exclusive Hostinger coupon code, you'll see higher monthly pricing, even during promotions. This limited time offer gives you up to 85% off, extra 10% off with exclusive code, free domain, lower pricing than the public page. But pricing can change anytime, so don't wait too long. Quick recap: Premium, great for 1 to 3 simple websites. Business, best overall value for performance plus scaling. Cloud Startup, best for serious growth or e-commerce. For most beginners, I recommend starting with business web hosting if your budget allows it. If you want the biggest hosting or discount available right now, click the link in the description below and use the exclusive coupon code listed next to it. That's how you unlock up to 85% off, extra 10% off, free domain. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.